Right, hello and welcome back. If you've seen us before, if you've not, welcome. This is the next episode in Shoestring Chef. Am I the Shoestring Chef? I can't even say it. Am I?
Yes.
Yes, okay, cool. I've got two little helpers with me today. I've got Angus, say hello.
Hello.
And I've got Adeline, say hello.
Hello.
Give a big wave. Adeline is our baker in the family. She loves to bake, don't you? You like to bake cakes and all sorts of things, don't you? You're really good at that. And Angus likes to eat all the lovely things that we make, don't you, mate? So today, we thought we'd start off with a recipe. We thought we'd start off with breakfast. And we are going to make, what are we going to make?
Granola.
Granola! You're all supposed to shout that at the same time. Granola. Yeah, we're going to make some granola, so it's a great recipe to make. If you have any oats left over, we're going to use a combination of rolled oats and porridge oats, because that's all we've got at the moment, so we thought that would be okay, didn't we? Boggle, look up.
Yeah.
You need to look at the people out there. Right, okay, so let's get started, because the kids have been dying to do this all day. First of all, we are going to mix up the wet ingredients. I'm just going to get a whisk out of here, mate. Thank you, that I've got specially whisk drawer. Right, can you just swallow those? Right, I just thought I'd give the kids a little bit of sugar before they started, and I thought they'd finished eating them, but that's what you can see them chewing on. Right, so we start this off. We are going to mix the wet ingredients, which is 50 mils or grams of oil. Now you can use any oil, any light oil. You can use, we're using canola oil, vegetable oil. You could use a light olive oil. What else could you use? Could you use motor oil from your car? You could. I wouldn't recommend that, would you? No. What oil would you recommend, Angus? You think of any other oils? What sort of oils are there? Oil paint? No, you wouldn't use oil paint, would you? No, we'll just use vegetable oil to start with. Yeah, or you could use, like I say, you could use a light, really light olive oil. You could even use coconut oil if you wanted. I've not tried that, but I imagine it would be fine. So that's 60 grams of olive oil, and we're going to put 60 grams of Angus's favourite thing in the whole wide world, I think it is. Is this your favourite?
Yeah.
What is it?
Honey.
Honey, yeah, that's right.
All the way from America.
Oh, yeah, special American honey. So, yeah, 60 grams of this, which is a lovely sweetener. You could also use brown sugar or maple syrup, golden syrup, whatever you've got, really. It's just a sweetener. Now, who would like to mix this?
Me.
Me, okay, there you go. Can you reach, or do you want a chair? Let's get you a chair. Right. You're right. Jump up. You could put Monkey down, perhaps now. Give it a good old mix. Let's put Monkey over here. Then we're going to add to that. Give it a good mix. It's not your friend. Give it some welly. More. That's it. So we're going to add half a teaspoon of salt. Do you want to mix? Come on, don't be shy. Right. Half a teaspoon of salt, and you could add a little bit less, I guess, but I found that's probably about the right amount.
If you want to be healthy, then don't give it that much salt.
Oh, good idea. That's a really good idea. The obviously the younger generation are a lot more health conscious than I am, and that was half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Right, good mixing.
That's my favourite thing for making cookies.
Is it? Oh, you like cinnamon cookies? Right, okay, so that's a good mix. Did you want to have a quick mix while I weigh out some other things? Right, the next ingredient, no, that's all right. She's doing it brilliantly. Very good. So the next ingredient that we put in is going to be rolled oats. We're just going to put in, about 360 grams of oats. Now, these are the only rolled oats that I've got left in the house. So I'm not going to use them all. I'm going to mix them with some porridge oats. And what I'm trying to encourage people to do is just to experiment a bit, because these recipes, like I think I've said on an earlier recipe, these aren't that technical, so you can change in, swap out different ingredients, and yeah, just experiment with things. They're never really going to go very wrong. Nothing's going to be inedible. So I'm going to use about 160 of those, and then about another 160 of these porridge oats, which are just a smaller oat of a...
And it's my favourite.
Yeah, you like oats, don't you? Because Angus eats porridge every morning for breakfast.
Milk and honey.
Or oats with some milk and honey in it. Yeah, that's right.
That's the yummiest.
Is it? That's your favourite, isn't it?
That's
right.
the yummiest thing.
So now in life,
yeah,
that's the yummiest thing in life. I love it. I love it. Okay, so now we're going to pour. We'll take this whisk away. You've done a great job there, Adeline. And we're going to pour this in. Who wants to pour this in?
Me.
You want to pour this in? No, don't pour that one in there. You've got to pour this one in there. Okay, and Angus, you can stir it. Do you want to stir it?
Yeah.
Whoop. Hang on, let's get everything out, because it's about... Oh, I just flicked that. Put it in, quick. Put it in the bowl. Well done. It's about using everything, so get 2 hands, get right in there. Well done. Oh, you're going to taste it, Boggle. Any good? Try and keep it in the bowl. Well done. Right. Okay. Sorry, I'll just, if I could just get all the way through, and then Adeline, you can have a quick stir, and then we're going to get some trays, and we're going to put this into a preheated, here, Adeline, you give it a stir, into a preheated oven of around about 150 degrees, which we've got on ready and waiting.
And it's my best for making, I can't remember, but I know.
What, the oven? For cooking things?
Yeah.
Chips?
I can't, yeah.
And homemade chips, or...
Fish fingers are my favourite.
Are they? We're going to have fish fingers for tea later, aren't we? Okay, so that's good. We've got that done. That's really well mixed, isn't it? Who agrees that's really well mixed?
Me.
You? You? Yeah, okay. So I'm just going to move you out of the way for a second, Adeline. I'm going to move you down here. And Angus, could you just jump off that chair, please, mate? And we'll pop that away.
Can I?
Pardon?
It doesn't matter what age you are, you can always watch us.
Yeah, that's right. Good. I like your TV presence, mate. Right, so we've got a couple of trays here which we've lined with greaseproof paper. We're just going to pour this out. Anyone
Make it into lots of little squares.
Yes, you can lick the spoon. Yes, of course you can.
She's gone a bit crazy.
Oh, has she?
Yeah.
You're a fine one to talk. They're going crazy. Right, so we'll just spread that out onto 2 trays fairly evenly. Okay, that's perfect. Did you want to do that, Bobble? No? Okay, it's looking good. So there we go. Let's just press down lightly. So, or
we're going to put some raisins in it.
Yep, that's what we're going to get out next, isn't it? We're actually going to chop some dried apricots. So Angus, if you want to just jump on that, got a little white.
I'm going to lick that.
Oh, did you want to lick it? Okay. You can have a spoon.
Yeah.
Okay. Hopefully.
Is that yummy? Yummy.
Is it? Good. Now we're going to get some dried apricots and just give them a quick chop. Run the knife through them.
That's so lovely.
Yeah, you were saying earlier that you really wanted to eat them all, didn't you?
Yeah.
So, should we have one? Would you like one? Do you like an apricot? Do you like an apricot, Adeline? Okay, can I take this spoon? I'll swap you. Well done. No, you want that. Okay, so we just run the knife through them, chop them up a bit.
Carefully. If you have a box, you could push them along.
If you have a box, you could push them along, yeah. What do you mean by that?
Like, push them along so you don't get it on your finger. That's not finished the spoon yet. Otherwise you And you wouldn't like to watch us anymore.
No, there you go. There's the spoon back. Everyone's very keen to make sure we don't waste anything, aren't you? Waste not, want not. That's what we say around here.
Do you want to do the washing up later?
Do you? Yeah? Oh, you do. Okay, cool. So, there we've chopped up. Right, so what's that? About half a cup of dried apricots chopped.
They're very fresh.
Then we'll put in a little bit, a few less raisins, and then we've got some currants in here as well. We're just going to mix it up and put the same amount in there. It's all good. Right, and then we shall be back in a minute. Okay, so we've just popped those in the oven. They will go in the oven for 10 minutes. Then
you can put a timer on your phone if you want.
Yeah, good idea. And while we're waiting, Angus is going to give us a few jokes. Come on then, mate.
What did the big flower say to little flower? Hi, bud.
Oh, hi, bud. Goody. Next one.
Why was the picture sent to jail?
I don't know. Why was the picture sent to jail?
It was framed.
Classic. Right. You could go on today. Do you want to tell another one while I get these out of the oven?
Where do rabbits go after they get married?
After they get married? I don't know. Nobody touch these because they're hot.
On a bunny moon.
On a bunny moon. Oh, great. Do you want to put that book away now?
Why do bees have sticky hair? No. Because they use a honeycomb.
A honeycomb. Oh, even better. Better. Good one,
what
mate.
Kind of
No, stop. This is my show. Okay, you do one more.
What kind of food does a racehorse eat?
Fast food.
What is it? What is that?
Fast food, you know, like dirty burgers and stuff. Fish and chips and stuff like that. Anyway, so now we're going to add some desiccated coconut. We're going to add...
This is really yummy.
Yeah, 4 tablespoons of really yummy desiccated coconut.
I want to eat some of the coconut.
Pardon?
You
wanted to eat some? Oh, did you? So we're just going to mix this in, and we're going to put it again into that really low oven, which is at 150 degrees, to which is just slowly drying these ingredients out and bringing the sugar out of the honey, so it's caramelising. Did you eat my arm?
No, I just yawned on my arm.
You just yawned on my arm. Thanks very much. Am I boring? Where are you going? Gone. Okay, so we're going to pop these back in the oven now, and don't pop back up onto the oven trays because you'll burn your little head. Okay. And then, how do we know when 10 minutes is going to be up? How do we know when 10 minutes is going to be up? Because we're going to put the timer on, aren't we? We're going to put the timer on for 10 minutes. So another 10 minutes, and we'll be back. Did you want to tell one more joke while we're waiting for the 10 minutes?
I need a picture.
Okay.
What's a rabbit's favourite kind of music?
It is a rabbit symphony.
Hip hop.
Hip hop, love it. Right. So that's been in now for 10 minutes. Yes, that's exactly right.
It's on 0.
Okay, so we're taking that out of the oven. Everyone look out because this is really hot. Don't touch it, anyone, please. Everyone stand back. Stand
It
back.
hasn't got raisins.
No, it hasn't yet, has it? That's the next step. So now we are going to take anything really and just press it down. Well, actually, first of all, I'll talk a bit of a fib. So we've got the dried apricots that we're going to mix through, some raisins and sultanas. Yeah, raisins and sultanas. So we'll put half in each. Yeah, while this is still warm. Yeah, we'll put sultanas in, remember? And I'll put the rest in there. So that's nice and warm still. Make sure we've used all of it. So we'll just give it a little mix. Sorry. And just using 2 spoons to do that with, obviously. It's gone nice and it's lovely and toasted and it smells good, doesn't it? Does it smell good? It smells like breakfast, doesn't it? And we'll just mix that one up as well.
It makes me want to go to bed.
Does it? I wish you would sometimes.
I'm already staring into space.
Yeah, that's not unusual. Makes you wake Angus up, does it? Yeah. Oh, good. Right, and then, so then we're just going to press it down so it sort of forms clumps.
And it's bumpy because then you won't get your teeth on it.
It's bumpy, isn't it? I like your logic. I like it. And then we're going to press this one down a bit. And so that will form clumps or little clustery lumps when that cools down. So now we just let that completely cool down, just in the air. I don't put it in the fridge or anything. And then you want to put it straight in when it's cold and completely cold. You put it into a an airtight container, don't you?
My daddy's just done this.
They say don't work with children or adults. I don't think they say don't work with adults.
I think they say work
right now,
babies.
now that my little stripper daughter has left in a bit of a huff, and so I can stand closer together. Yeah, so like I say, let this cool down. When it's completely cold, then keep it in an airtight Tupperware type container.
No,
and,
in a worm.
Yeah, in a worm, okay. In an airtight Tupperware container, and it will keep for absolutely ages. We don't keep things in worms. I don't know whether you know that or not. Clearly not. And then enjoy it for breakfast like we do. We love it, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, yeah, I like the hesitation. Yeah. All right, thanks very much for joining us, and
Bye.
we'll see you next time. Well done. Good on you.